Oh, hello. It's you again. I have another unboxing for us. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. See what's inside. Oh, wow. I know gear. I do know gear. Microphone stand. And it might be Inno. It's definitely Inno. It's very flexible, adjustable, stable and durable, greater load capacity, and professional accessories. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open, shall we? Wow, look at the beauty of the products. Wow, very noisy. This is the Innogear microphone scissor arm stand, if you have not gotten that picture just yet. Here are all the parts and components that are available for us. Oh, I don't know what this is, but thread seal tape. Instructions here, handy, fantastic. Let's go ahead and assemble this and give you all a great first look at the product. We're going to have our instructions ready because this is my first time and I don't want to mess anything up.
A few moments later.
And ladies and gentlemen, ta-da. Let's go ahead and get a very nice, quick glimpse of the entire microphone stand. This was a very easy install indeed. Clamped right onto the desk. It has to be square, of course, for it to work. Microphone stand. Easy peasy. Durable, light, and easy to maneuver. Doesn't get better than this. And there you have it, folks. The Innogear microphone stand. If you'd like to purchase this product, click the link down below in my description. Thank you. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.